If Discord is stuck on RTC connecting, don't worry, this is usually a network, voice server, or app settings issue, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through 4 simple fixes that can get you reconnected fast. We'll start with the easiest fix first, then move on to Discord voice settings and server region changes if you have access to them. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is flush your DNS. This clears out old network information that may be preventing Discord from connecting properly. On Windows, open the Start menu, type CMD, then right-click on Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. Once the black command window opens, type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. You should see a confirmation message that the DNS resolver cache was successfully flushed. After that, close the window and restart Discord completely. This simple step fixes the RTC connecting error for a lot of users, especially if your network recently changed or your internet connection has been unstable. If Discord is still stuck, the next thing to try is restarting the app the right way. A lot of people just close the window, but Discord can keep running in the system tray. Look at the bottom right corner of your screen, find the Discord icon, right-click it and choose Quit. That fully closes the app. Then reopen Discord and check whether the voice connection starts working again. You can also use Ctrl+R on Windows to force a quick refresh of the app, which can help reload Discord without fully reinstalling anything. Now let's move on to the second fix, which is changing the server region. This only works if you are the server admin or if you can ask someone with the right permissions to do it for you. Go to the voice channel that is giving you trouble, right-click it and select Edit Channel. Inside the channel settings, look for Region Override. If it is available, change it to a different location. Sometimes Discord's default voice region can have problems, and switching it to another region can immediately solve the RTC connecting issue. After changing it, save the settings and test the voice channel again. If the issue is still there, the next step is to reset your voice settings inside Discord. Open user settings by clicking the gear icon near your profile at the bottom left of Discord. On the left side, find and click Voice and Video. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page until you see Reset All Voice Settings. Click that option and confirm the reset if Discord asks you to. This will restore voice settings back to their default values, which can help if a bad microphone, input device, output device, or voice configuration is causing the connection issue. After resetting, go back into a voice channel and test it again. If none of those fixes work yet, go back and make sure your internet connection is stable because RTC connecting errors are often caused by a weak or inconsistent network. Try switching from Wi-Fi to wired internet if possible, close any VPN or proxy you might be using, and make sure Discord is allowed through your firewall. Even though these are not part of the main steps, they can make a big difference if the app still refuses to connect. To recap, first flush your DNS, then restart Discord properly, then change the server region if you can, and finally reset all voice settings. In most cases, one of those steps will fix the RTC connecting error without needing anything more advanced. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next troubleshooting guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.